in the Google, go for the Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse download. Okay, now on the first site like this, like click on here. So here allow cookies. Okay, scroll down. So install favorite desktop IDE packages and see for something else. Okay, here it is. So download this thing. So right now what I am showing is applicable for the Windows only. Okay, now here click on download. Like here you can see the things whatever you can read from here. Now click on download. See here the download is started. So it is around the 132 MB. Wait for it. So this got download. Go to the file location. Okay, now let us try to install this. Now run as administrator. See, it's starting installing. So right now we need the standard edition, like we no need of the enterprise C++. So first one you need to click on. Okay, click on the first thing. Later if you're comfortable with the default location, go with this, or you can change the location by browsing. Okay, here it is. Now later here you can see create start menu entry, keep on tick, and create desktop shortcut. So by making tick over here, you will get the shortcut in your desktop. Okay, now click on install. So it is asking for some agreements, so accept it. Okay, now you can see it starting the process. So after completing the installation, here you will get the launch button. Click. So now the application getting open. Wait for it. So it is asking for the location where you need to save. So if you're comfortable with this default location, go with this. I am comfortable now. So otherwise you can browse your location. Okay, now use the as default. Don't click on this. Let us launch this. Okay, now continue. Now here you can see this is something I have written in my previous sessions. Okay, now do crossover here. So let us try to create the new project. Okay, new. Let us take the Java project. Let project name is we are going to learn the oops, right? So learning oops. That is all capital. Learning oops. Okay, and don't change anything. Finish this. Now you can see here you will get the new project. Now on this, click on new. Let us try to take the new package. So let us package name, let it be com dot Balaji dot this is the first class, right? So let it be basic. Okay, basic. Remove capital over here. Now click on finish. Now here you can see you are getting in the source in this. Okay, click on new. Now let us try to create the class. Okay, class, let it be first program. So let us try to check. is this Java application running fine or not, is we are getting the desired output or not. Let us check by this. Okay, so till now we not discuss about this line, right? So in the Eclipse, in on first line on top above, you are going to get the package info. So this is the package, right? We are created right now, like com.balaji.basic. Okay, now in this, let us try to take the main method. So I think you all aware of the main method, how to create it, like public static void main. So here we have facility like main control space enter. You can see here we are going to get the suggestions, like click on this. Now let us take the one printing statement. Let us try to print the one sentence. Okay, see, this is a shortcut like sys o control space enter, you will get the direct. Okay, now in this I am going to print hello world. Okay, now run here. Okay, so in the bottom you can see here we are getting the hello world. Just try to change it to the Balaji. Okay, Balaji education. Now same thing, run here, click on OK. Here you can see Balaji education. So this thing is working fine. So this is how the download and the installation process of the Eclipse. Now in the future videos we are going to learn complete concepts of the OOPS. Okay, if you learned anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing.